What if I told you this isn't just another Toyota Hiace? What you're looking at could be the most luxurious executive van Toyota has ever created. Imagine stepping inside a vehicle that feels less like a commercial van and more like a private jet on wheels. From VIP seating and premium craftsmanship to cutting-edge technology and unmatched comfort, the all-new 2026 Toyota Hiace VIP Luxury is rewriting what luxury transportation means. Whether you're a business executive, celebrity hotel owner, or someone who simply demands the very best, this van promises an experience unlike anything before. But does it truly deserve to be called the ultimate first-class luxury van? Stay with us, because today we're taking an exclusive deep dive into every incredible detail of Toyota's newest masterpiece. Toyota has completely transformed the identity of the Hiace. For decades, the Hiace has been known around the world as one of the most reliable commercial vans ever built. It earned its reputation through durability, practicality, and dependability. But for 2026, Toyota has taken a bold new direction by combining that legendary reliability with premium luxury, normally reserved for executive limousines. At first glance, it's almost impossible to believe this is a Hiace. The design immediately commands attention with its bold proportions, premium styling, and elegant details, finished in an eye-catching glossy black paint. The exterior radiates sophistication from every angle. Every panel reflects precision craftsmanship, giving the vehicle an upscale appearance that stands out in any environment. Moving toward the front, the redesigned fascia introduces a modern luxury identity. The grille features a bold geometric pattern, accented with premium chrome, details that instantly create a prestigious look. Slim LED daytime running lights stretch elegantly across the front, while the redesigned matrix LED headlights deliver exceptional nighttime visibility together with an unmistakable lighting signature. The front bumper has also received a complete makeover. Sharp aerodynamic lines, premium chrome accents, and carefully integrated air intakes create a clean yet aggressive appearance. Every detail serves both style and functionality, helping improve airflow while enhancing the vehicle's commanding road presence. Along the side profile, the Hiace maintains its recognizable proportions but introduces significantly more premium design elements. Smooth body lines flow seamlessly from front to rear, giving the van a modern and aerodynamic silhouette. Chrome window surrounds, premium side skirts, and exclusive VIP badging add an unmistakable touch of exclusivity. One of the biggest highlights is the fully automatic electric sliding door. At the touch of a button, the large side door glides open silently and smoothly, revealing an interior that immediately feels more like the entrance to a luxury lounge than a traditional passenger van. It's the kind of feature that creates an unforgettable first impression every single time. The rear design is equally impressive. Full-width LED taillights create a distinctive light signature, while redesigned vertical lighting elements give the van a wider and more premium appearance. The elegant Toyota lettering replaces the conventional badge, emphasizing confidence and sophistication. Gold-colored accents integrated into the rear bumper complete the VIP styling package, adding just the right amount of luxury without becoming excessive. Large premium alloy wheels further elevate the exterior design. Their intricate multi-spoke pattern complements the overall executive appearance while ensuring a smooth and stable driving experience. Combined with an upgraded suspension system specifically tuned for passenger comfort, the Hiace glides over rough roads with remarkable refinement. But everything you've seen on the outside is only the beginning, because the real magic starts the moment you step inside. Open the automatic sliding door, and you're welcomed into an environment that completely changes your expectations of what a Toyota van can be. Instead of rows of ordinary seats, you're greeted by handcrafted executive captain chairs wrapped in premium leather with diamond quilting and elegant contrast stitching. These aren't simply seats, they're personal luxury suites. Each captain chair offers multiple electric adjustments: heating, ventilation, reclining functions, extendable leg rests, memory settings, and even massage programs designed to reduce fatigue during long journeys. Whether you're traveling across the city or embarking on a multi-hour road trip, every passenger enjoys airline first-class levels of comfort. Ambient LED lighting flows throughout the cabin, creating a relaxing atmosphere that can be customized in multiple colors depending on your mood. Soft indirect illumination highlights the premium wood trim, brushed aluminum accents, and carefully stitched leather surfaces, producing an interior that feels warm, modern, and exceptionally luxurious. As you settle into one of these luxurious captain's chairs, it quickly becomes clear that Toyota designed this cabin to be more than just comfortable. It was engineered to function as a private executive office and a relaxing personal lounge. Every detail has been carefully considered to elevate the travel experience. In front of each VIP passenger, premium fold-out tables provide the perfect workspace for laptops, documents, or even a fine dining experience while on the move. Wireless charging pads ensure your smartphone stays powered throughout the journey, while multiple USB-C ports and dual 20-volt power outlets allow passengers to connect virtually any electronic device. The centerpiece of the cabin is a massive smart entertainment display. Whether you're watching movies, conducting video conferences, streaming your favorite content, or following live business presentations, the high-definition screen delivers crystal-clear visuals with exceptional color accuracy, combined with a premium surround sound audio system featuring multiple strategically placed speakers. Every journey feels like sitting inside a luxury home theater. Passengers can also control most cabin functions directly from individual touch panels. With a simple tap, they can adjust ambient lighting colors, cabin temperature, massage intensity, seat position, window shades, and entertainment settings without disturbing anyone else inside the vehicle. Toyota has also significantly improved cabin insulation for the 2026 model. Advanced sound deadening materials have been installed throughout the body structure, dramatically reducing road noise, wind noise, and engine vibrations. Even while traveling at highway speeds, conversations remain effortless, creating an incredibly peaceful environment. Climate comfort has reached an entirely new level as well. The advanced multi-zone automatic climate control system allows every passenger to customize their preferred temperature independently. Whether someone prefers a cooler environment while another enjoys warmer air, everyone remains comfortable throughout the trip. Storage has never been overlooked either. Premium compartments are integrated throughout the cabin for laptops, handbags, beverages, documents, and personal belongings, ensuring the interior remains clean, organized, and practical. Now let's talk about what powers this remarkable luxury van. Although Toyota has not officially confirmed every global specification, industry expectations suggest that the 2026 Hiace VIP Luxury van will offer a refined turbocharged diesel engine alongside an advanced hybrid powertrain in selected markets. The latest turbo diesel is expected to deliver stronger acceleration, improved fuel efficiency, and significantly quieter operation than previous generations. Meanwhile, the hybrid system could combine electric efficiency with smooth gasoline performance, offering lower fuel consumption. While maintaining impressive driving capability, power is expected to be delivered through a modern automatic transmission that shifts almost imperceptibly. Every gear change feels smooth and refined, ensuring passengers experience uninterrupted comfort regardless of road conditions. Toyota's engineers have also focused heavily on ride quality. The upgraded suspension system absorbs bumps, potholes, and uneven road surfaces with remarkable composure. Whether driving through crowded city streets or cruising on the highway, the Hiace remains stable, comfortable, and exceptionally quiet. Steering has also been refined for improved confidence. Despite its large dimensions, the Hiace feels surprisingly easy to maneuver thanks to responsive steering, improved visibility, and modern parking assistance systems. Speaking of technology, Toyota has equipped the 2026 Hiace with some of its most advanced driver assistance features. The latest Toyota Safety Sense package includes adaptive cruise control that automatically maintains a safe following distance, lane tracing assist that gently helps keep the vehicle centered, automatic emergency braking capable of detecting vehicles and pedestrians, blind spot monitoring Rear cross-traffic alert, traffic sign recognition, and intelligent high-beam assistance. Parking such a large luxury van becomes incredibly simple thanks to the available 360-degree panoramic camera system. Multiple cameras provide a complete bird's-eye view of the surroundings, helping the driver confidently navigate tight parking spaces and narrow roads. Additional safety is provided by multiple airbags, reinforced body construction, electronic stability control, traction control, hill start assist, tire pressure monitoring, and advanced braking technologies designed to maximize occupant protection. For business owners, luxury hotels, airport limousine services, government officials, celebrities, and large families seeking the highest level of comfort, the new Hiace represents an ideal solution. It successfully combines Toyota's legendary reliability with luxury features that rival premium executive vehicles costing significantly more. Perhaps the most impressive achievement is how naturally Toyota blends practicality with sophistication. Despite offering limousine-level comfort, the Hiace still retains the versatility that has made it one of the world's most trusted vans. It can comfortably transport VIP guests, business executives, or family members while providing an unforgettable travel experience. Pricing is expected to vary depending on market and customization options, but premium VIP versions will naturally command a higher price than standard commercial Hiace models. Even so, considering the extraordinary craftsmanship, advanced technology, luxurious interior, and Toyota's proven long-term reliability, many buyers will likely view it as an excellent investment. The all-new 2026 Toyota Hiace VIP Luxury isn't simply an update, it's a complete transformation. It proves that luxury no longer belongs exclusively to expensive sedans or SUVs. Toyota has successfully created a first-class mobile lounge that delivers elegance, comfort, innovation, and practicality in one exceptional package. If this is the future of executive transportation, Toyota has certainly raised the standard. If you enjoyed this exclusive review, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you never miss the latest reviews of the world's newest luxury vehicles. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.